These are real-world experiences from drivers who have directly gotten behind the wheel of the latest 2026 Tesla Semi. Not just simple reviews, but reflections of the expectations formed after actually operating the truck. Through their perspective, you can truly understand what it feels like to drive the Semi in real conditions. What does it actually feel like to drive a Tesla Semi? One of the most compelling stories comes from Dakota Shearer, a driver who participated in a real-world pilot program in what should have been a difficult situation. He accidentally turned into a narrow road that wasn't suitable for a 40-foot trailer. Normally with a diesel truck, this would require getting in and out of the cab multiple times to check clearances, carefully adjusting position inch by inch. But in the Tesla Semi, Shearer simply stayed in the driver's seat and relied on the surrounding display system inside the cabin. Thanks to the central seating position combined with a full 360-degree camera system, he could clearly see every angle, especially the right side, which is typically the most dangerous blind spot in traditional trucks. As a result, he was able to maneuver out of the situation easily without any difficulty. This experience made him realize that the technology is not just an upgrade. It fundamentally changes how a driver interacts with a truck. As he put it, "I got out of that situation with no problem. It made me realize how much of a difference Tesla's technology really makes." The driving feel of the Tesla Semi continues to stand out when it comes to power and acceleration in a diesel truck. Pulling force depends heavily on engine RPM and precise gear shifting. Drivers must feel the engine, select the right gear, and accept a delay in acceleration. The Tesla Semi eliminates all of that with instant torque from its electric motors. The truck can accelerate smoothly even while hauling up to 40,000 pounds of cargo. There is no lag, no interruption in power delivery. Everything feels continuous and seamless. In another test, the truck pulled about 25,000 pounds uphill, and the driver described it as barely feeling the weight behind. This highlights how the electric drivetrain not only delivers strong performance, but also maintains consistent pulling power under all conditions. Something diesel trucks struggle to achieve without consuming more fuel and putting additional strain on the engine. As one test driver noted, it climbs uphill, and you almost forget there are tens of tons behind you. Low-speed control is another area where the Tesla Semi surprises many drivers. In environments like ports or logistics hubs, where space is tight, maneuvering a large truck is always challenging. Diesel trucks often suffer from throttle lag and nonlinear response, making precise movement difficult. The Tesla Semi addresses this completely with near-instant throttle response. Drivers can modulate power with extreme precision, allowing the truck to move smoothly and steadily even in confined spaces. The absence of a multi-gear transmission also means drivers no longer have to worry about selecting the wrong gear or handling complex downshifts on slopes. Some drivers have even said that driving the Semi feels like operating a regular Tesla passenger car, just on a much larger scale. One of the most transformative technologies is regenerative braking. In diesel trucks, every deceleration results in energy loss as heat, increased brake wear, and the risk of overheating, especially on long downhill stretches.